Today I want to talk to you about the reverse thrust. The reverse thrust is similar to the regular thrust in that it is a poking strike instead of hitting with the side of the bow. However, the reverse thrust has the added capacity to help you turn around. So here's how it's done. You're going to start with your right foot forward and your right hand out with your bow flat under your left arm. From here, the bow is going to move backwards, twisting your hand so that it stays level the entire time. And then right as the bow hits and that left hand fully extends, you switch your stance into a back stance facing that direction, the same direction as the bow. So the foot is facing that way, your hips will be facing perpendicular to the bow, and that's the strike. So the reason why we switch our stance and rotate our hips a little bit is to give that strike more power heading that way. We don't want to just poke backwards because you can see it doesn't look that powerful, it just looks like a poke. When we shift our hips into it, it adds more oomph into the strike and can really look like you're battling someone. So there's a couple different moves you can do before this. You could do a four strike and then hit it back. You could do double reverse strikes. You could even do it straight from a thrust. Oh, that could look kind of funny. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can check out my channel for other bow staff videos.